Holiday season arrives. Misinformation spreads. Truth become unclear. But science provides evidence. 80% believe unvalidated health claims. Misinformation spreads. Truth suffers. Evidence matters. Rigorous science completely validates health practices. Evidence supports. Truth emerges. Trust builds. Evidence-based practices. Peer-reviewed. Replicated. Published. Your health foundation locked. I'm Macro. Nutrition research confirms. Balanced macros optimize health. Science proves nutrition. Nutrition science accumulates evidence continuously. Longitudinal studies, meta-analyses, truth compounds. Nutrition character in Image 2 transforms understanding completely. From beliefs to facts, from guesses to certainty. Research hierarchy validates. RCTs strongest. Meta-analyses comprehensive. Systematic reviews conclusive. Peer review ensures quality. Experts evaluate. Flaws identified. Truth prevails through scrutiny. Reproducibility confirms truth. Independent researchers replicate. Consistent results prove validity. Advanced scientific methodology. Controls rigorous. Variables isolated. Causation established. Evidence conclusive. Statistical significance quantifies evidence. P-values. Confidence intervals. Numbers don't lie. Effect sizes measure practical importance. Large effects meaningful. Clinically significant results matter. Multiple studies converge on truth. Consistent findings accumulate. Evidence becomes undeniable. Here's how. Apply evidence. Choose validated practices. Follow research. Build on truth. PubMed, Scholar.Google, ResearchGate, evidence sources accessible. Research abundant. That's your foundation. That's your truth. That's your commitment. Starting today. Scientific rigor demands. Hypothesis clear. Methods documented. Results transparent. Truth emerges.
Science discusses limitations honestly. Sample size, duration, confounders. Truth includes uncertainty.
Science evolves continuously. New questions emerge. Research advances. Truth deepens. I'm F. Ewell. Energy perspective. Evidence-based practices maximize energy scientifically. Evidence shows sustainable energy follows validated practices. Character in Image 2 confirms sustained vitality. Evidence optimizes performance. SCIence proves efficiency. Data-driven choices maximize results. I'm POYOR. Strength perspective. Evidence proves strength protocols work effectively. And evidence validates. Resistance training builds muscle. Quantifies gains. Data confirms results. Evidence shows progressive overload works. Documents adaptation. Data proves strength gains.
Let's address real research. Holiday stress peak. Studies show evidence-based practices reduce stress. Family research shows shared wellness practices increase adherence. Science proves family support. Evidence
Travel research. Maintaining practices during travel improves outcomes. Evidence supports consistency. Research shows week 1 improves. Week 2 accelerates. Month 1 transforms. Evidence predicts. Evidence shows informed choices enhance performance. Data-driven decisions improve outcomes. Science proves. Science measures health markers, blood pressure, cholesterol, glucose. Evidence documents improvements. Mental health research validates. Practices reduce anxiety. Science documents mood improvement. Evidence proves. Longevity research. Practices extend lifespan. Science documents health span increases. Data shows. Your confidence builds through evidence. You're informed. You're certain. That's evidence-based confidence. Your family notices evidence-based choices. They're inspired. Children learn critical thinking. That's legacy. Evidence becomes sustainable foundation. January validated. February confirmed. March established. Permanent. Over time, evidence-based becomes identity. You're not guessing, you're knowing. That's mastery. You're capable of evidence-based choices. Research accessible, understanding possible. You're informed. Here's what you do. Research. Verify. Choose evidence-based. Apply scientifically. Today, read research. Verify claims. Understand evidence. Access begins immediately. Commit to evidence. Question claims. Verify sources. Make it real. You're not alone. Fit Foodie family backs you. We believe evidence transforms. From energy, science, nutrition, we're backing evidence. You've got this. Share evidence journey with us. Comment research findings. Tell knowledge transformation. Subscribe Fit Foodie Essentials tomorrow. Happiness mastery with Savor. Evidence supports joy. Evidence transforms completely. Truth, knowledge, understanding, certainty. That's science.
Thank you choosing evidence. Thank you questioning. Thank you joining. Make best holiday. Choose evidence. Feel difference. Transform.
Evidence mastery complete. Video 8 done. Science journey continues. Fit Foodie family. 10 perspectives. 1 goal. Evidence-based, thriving holiday. Science, energy, nutrition. Perspectives working together, evidence-based success. Tomorrow, happiness mastery with SAVOR. Evidence supports joy. Subscribe. See tomorrow truthfully. Subscribe. Make evidence super character in image 2. Evidence-based, always. Non-negotiable. Start today researching. Truth, knowledge, understanding, certainty, power, mastery. That's awaits. You're ready. The class out. Transformation starts. Evidence-based. 1 decision. Research. Transformed holiday awaits. Evidence-based. Knowing. Certain. That's future. Who will transform holiday evidence-based? That's victory. Claim completely.
Thank today. Thank questioning. Thank showing.
Family forever. Every evidence-based choice. Every day.
Go Truth evidence. Body. Knowledge. Transformation.
Evidence mastery becomes embodied. Body knows. Mind knows. Truth knows. You, truth champion. Evidence master. Knowledge creator. Identity.
Tomorrow. Keep momentum. Keep it going. Keep growing. 8 complete. Journey continues. Evidence forever.
Just beginning. Evidence journey unfolds. Tomorrow, happiness mastery. Evidence, energy, nutrition, power, foundation. Power awaits. Holiday awaits. Forward.
Mastery delivered. Commitment received. Journey honored. Tomorrow Happiness Video 8 awaits. Subscribe.
Research now. Verify truth. Evidence begins today. Gratitude profound. Questioning. Showing. You absolutely have this. Evidence mastery yours. Best begins now. Evidence-based. Thrive. Transform. Analytically complete. Evidence character in image 2. Power you. Mastery. Your path. Evidence. And evidence. Ownership complete. Believe absolutely. Evidence. Forever. Momentum. Evidence. Victory. 8 triumph. Beginning continues. Forever. Family united. Community. Support always. Tomorrow. Man. Momentum. Forever. Think absolutely. Researching. Believing. Here. Evidence. Eternals. Eternal. Forever. Commitment. Victory. Complete. Go evidence. Go truth. Go mastery.
Future unlimited. Holiday transformed. Assured.
Evidence. Mastery achieved. Journey continues. Excellence forever. Ultimate triumph. Your champion. Creator. Victor.
Tomorrow. Momentum. Forever.
8 complete. Journey continues. Forever. Celebrate together. Showed. Ready. Evidence. Energy. Nutrition. Power. Complete foundation. Power awaits. Power awaits. Holiday awaits. Forward. Evidence delivered. Commitment received. Honored.
Tomorrow happiness awaits. Subscribe.
Verify now. Evidence truth. Transformation begins today. Gratitude profound. Questioning. Showing. You absolutely have this. Evidence mastery yours. Best begins now. Evidence-based. Transform. Complete analytically. Evidence character in image 2. Power you. Mastery. Your path. Evidence. Ownership complete. Believe absolutely. Evidence character in image 2. Forever. Momentum building. Evidence. Victory. 8 triumph. Beginning continues. Evidence. Family united. Community. Support always. Tomorrow. Momentum. Forever. Thank absolutely. Verifying. Believing. Here. Evidence eternal forever. Commitment. Victory. Complete. Go evidence. Go evidence. Go truth. Go mastery. Future unlimited. Holiday transformed. Assured.
Holiday evidence. Mastery complete. Journey continues. Go verify truth.